Now here's a little tip I thought I'd tell y'all. I'm cooking up some bacon for breakfast. I'm adding in some extra oil to it because I want that oil to be flavored. Like, it'll taste like bacon grease, okay? So I'm going to use this oil right here to make my roux. So we're going to get these, cut this fire off right here. I may not make I don't think I'll make the roux in that little pan there. But I'll have the oil ready. That oil can just sit right yonder all day until tonight when I cook gumbo. And I'm going to use it. And I'm also going to use oven baked roux for this Daddy Jack gumbo. It's going to be a quickie. I'll show you. It's time for Daddy Jack's gumbo. Look at that. I got the rice made for the gumbo. Just got through cooking. It's hot. Alright, let's get up some Daddy Jack gumbo. Oh, look at here. I ain't even made it yet. Lord have mercy. Alright, let's get busy. Let's turn the fire on. This is my oil for my Daddy Jack gumbo right here. It's got bacon grease and all that. Here is a big Chinese spoonful of Daddy Jack's gumbo roux. Look at that. Might as well put it on. It's oven roux. Oven baked roux. Oven baked by me. I'll show you some Daddy Jack magic. All good roux gotta have some gumbo filet. It wouldn't be a gumbo if it didn't have that in it. Let's put that in there. Just a little bit. Not much. Give that a stir. See how dark and nice that is. It's already toasted. Don't have to stand here 5 hours cooking it. It's already done. It's toasted already. Look at that, how nice that is. I'm just going to get the lumps. All I'm trying to do is get the lumps out of it. Alright. The Daddy Jack little wheel machine. Since it's all tiny like that, it ain't gonna take too long to cook up. The roux's already dark. Look at that. I took in earlier, I went ahead on and I boiled some shrimp. I boiled some shrimp and some chicken, and I got some sausage and put a lot of Daddy Jack seasoning in there. This is a combination of oyster sauce and kitchen bouquet. A lot of Cajuns are gonna cuss, and I don't care, because I'm gonna put okra in there. That's a French demi-glace and some oyster sauce. How you like me now? But wait, I ain't done yet. I'm gonna add okra in this. Alright, okra going in. Look at that. Oh yeah, man, look at that. Hoo hoo hoo. Let him kick and let him cook. Just about there. Yeah. This is one of Chef Ted's bay leaves. Going in. Let's go ahead and add some. I got some Conecuh sausage and some shrimp. Look at that. My whizzed up chicken is going in, baby. Oh yeah, that's already done. That's fried chicken that was deboned and whizzed in the Whizzinator, the Daddy Jack Whizzinator. That's gonna be some crazy gumbo right there. Crazy good. With all them flavors going on right there. Look at that. Daddy Jack Gumbo.